Hello, I'm Tina Hand, and as the 2020 president of Bay East, I would like to welcome you into the Bay East Association of Realtors family. Our mission at Bay East is to help you succeed as a real estate professional by offering a variety of opportunities for you to learn and grow and ultimately excel in your business. Here are a few tips I found useful when I was starting out as a realtor. Attend a marketing meeting. Bay East has 5 meetings held in the various districts, and you are invited to attend any that you choose. I highly recommend attending a marketing meeting where your office is located and/or where you plan to do much of your business. It's a great way to network, get to know fellow realtors and platinum affiliates, and hear about what's going on in the local market. Equally important is going on broker tours following the marketing meeting. Touring properties will help you to learn the local inventory, the streets, floor plans, and the community's uniqueness. There is so much you can learn from going on tour. You will meet many agents, and that personal introduction could give you an edge in a future transaction. Get involved. I cannot stress this enough. What are you passionate about? Whether you are interested in a Bay East committee or something within your community, there is something for everyone. My first involvement with Bay East as a realtor was with the CCMG marketing meeting as their treasurer. This helped me to get to know people. It enhanced my sphere and my network. You will find that in your service, you can make a difference, not only in our industry, but in the quality of life for others. Volunteering will enhance your skills, which in turn expands your business opportunities. Remember, the staff and the board of directors are here to answer your questions and hear your concerns. Please feel free to reach out to myself or to any one of us. Again, welcome to Bay East. I wish you much success and happiness in your real estate journey.